Yeah.
Try it from high. Right, are you recording? Try it there. That's okay.
Actually, if I get it from down here, it's because it level. The chair squeaks, so
Remember, the tip is the.
yeah. We could just walk down the right. Stop there.
Just literally like do like.
Oh, that's going to do your one. Ready? At the thing. Ready? Oh, that's good. You got one.
Good.
Actually, yeah, no, I can do that. Okay, you recording? I'm gonna kind of not jump into it, but I'm gonna sit down and roll towards you.
Okay.
Maybe you should have aimed it.
Go with your coat on.